was awesome. You landed it. Totally landed it.
I did?
Yeah.
That's the best move I did. Best move I did ever.
I think that was probably the best one ever. Charlie's turn. This is your chance, Charlie. Do something cool.
Fine.
Round in circles, round and round and round. That's a good one. That was close.
That was a cool move.
Oh, Charlie's gonna break dance.
I thought you were.
Do some break dancing, Charlie.